Workplace for Meta. This application has 4.7 ratings with over 187k reviews and it has 10 million plus downloads. These are the screenshots and interface of this application. Now let's go into the about of this app section. Share information with your company using tools like live video and groups. We believe organizations work best when everyone has a voice and the power to make a difference. So we have created Workplace, a secure tool that lets you and your colleagues learn about everything you need to know that's happening in your company, create interactive content and share information with each other, access your company's policies and documents. Use the app to sign into an existing Workplace account or create one from scratch. Workplace is ad free and totally separate from Facebook, so you and your team can concentrate on aligning your goals, building successful working relationships and turning your company into a community. Now let's study the reviews of users of this application. Lolila Hamel says, Lolia Hamel says it continually is crashing lately and deletes all my draft of work I needed to post. There's also no way to turn off notifications. If I am on a vacation and it's the weekend, I am hounded by co-workers posts that don't involve me. Even when I mute notifications for 8 hours, this is the worst app I have ever used. John says, can't even log in on this app, error starts at the very beginning. Fix this. Anthony Windle says, I want to have my personal data and user data deleted from this app. Why isn't there an option or button to let me decide on what happens with my information? Jasmeet Khurmi says you need a third party app after all as well as for authentication. I know my ID and password and this thing isn't letting me sign in. Would rate -5 for so called security measures by Meta. JC Erob says not working properly, can't log in new created passphrase. Mohammad Azhar Sare Sohala says notifications are getting much delayed, thereby losing the work. Please solve this at the earliest. Tufail Hussain says very good app for the staying updated from workplace and any suggestions regarding improving workplace area. Lim Althia says very informative, easy access and convenient. Stephen B says about this application crashes and doesn't always sync chats in real time. Kristen Dunn says this is the best communication tool on the market. If your organization is struggling to connect everyone, this is your solution. Taylor Robertson says horribly confusing. There is no rhythm, rhyme, or reason for what posts are shown and what is hidden. There is no order to how anything is shown. It's just a badly made, half copied version of the Facebook for the work that no one needs and no one cares about, either the consumer or the provider. Marcus Smithwick says literally keeps hammering me when the same notifications that I received a message. I received messages 3 days ago and viewed them, for, but for the some reason it keeps altering a notification and I get the same notification for the same message over and over. Another user says actually this app sucks, can't let me in, join my workplace, ask me to log in again with the same email address as before, but when I tried to reset password with the email, it says my email does not exist. Kevin Eaglesfield says can't use it, got sign in the details from my employer, downloaded the app, all it does is to take me to Microsoft page, I can't get past, no menu, no advice for help. A Google user says this app would be handy to have, but because it won't actually open the app after the single use sign in the web page, it is therefore almost pointless having an installed. It just puts me in a loop. When I press the button to open app, and continually opens more web browsers windows of the same page. I am using a Samsung Galaxy S9, so unless you make some adjustments, it's pointless me having the app installed.